Hi, I'm the Smoking Elk, and today I'm cooking up a filthy steak burger. So I wanted to create a burger for Father's Day, a ridiculously tasty, rich, delicious burger. So I'm going to go with a double smash burger, but we're going to top it with some skirt steak, onions, peppercorn sauce. We're going to have a slab of cheese there on the burger as well. It's going to be glorious. So the first thing I want to do is make a nice rich peppercorn sauce. Now, for a peppercorn sauce, you want your usual suspects in there. You want some shallots, you want cream, you normally want some brandy maybe. I'm going to go in with some bourbon, obviously salt, pepper, some peppercorns that we're going to crush down in the pestle and mortar, some garlic in there as well, a little bit of sugar to balance it all out. So the first thing we're going to do is get that made and then come back over and show you how I'm going to build the rest of the burger. I've just made the peppercorn sauce. I've made it nice and thick because I don't want it too runny, because remember that's going to be the sauce for our burger. Now we want to build the rest of the burger. So mince, make sure your mince has got at least 20% fat in there. I'm making smash burgers today. You can form them into patties if you wish. I prefer a smash burger. So I'm going to be using the Masterbuilt for this, and I'm going to be using the griddle. So if you've got any kind of cast iron pan or any kind of griddle, then follow this method. If not, then just flame grill your burgers and your steak. So mince, 20% fat for the patties. I've got some skirt steak here that I'm going to sear and take that to a nice medium rare. Then we're going to slice that and put that on top of the burger as well. Obviously, I'm going to caramelise some onions. I'm going to put some big chunks of cheddar cheese on there as well. That's going to sit on the burgers with the steak on top with the onions, and then we're going to pour over that lovely, rich peppercorn sauce that I've made. So let's crack on and make the ultimate Father's Day burger. There we go. How naughty does that look? Burgers, cheese, steak, bourbon caramelised onions, and we've got that peppercorn sauce on there as well. The steak is cooked to perfection using the Thermopen 1. We've cooked it to about 49 degrees. Medium rare is about 54, 55, but we've taken it off at 49 because it's been cooked quickly. It continued to cook while it rests. So as you've seen when we're sliced into the steak, it's a perfect medium rare. If you haven't got an instant read thermometer, highly recommend the Thermopen. If you want to cook the perfect steak again and again and again, you're going to need one of these, Thermopen. So there's my steak. It looks glorious, it looks naughty. The only thing left to do is to just go in and have a bite. So I'm going to take this one here. I really hope that you'll give this a go on a Smoking Elk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.